Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about visiting a friend.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sophia, how are you today?
I am very good, thank you. How about you?
I am doing great too.
That is nice to hear.
Today we are talking about visiting a friend.
Yes, visiting friends is always fun.
I agree. Do you visit your friends often?
Yes, I do. I usually visit my friends on weekends.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I also visit my friends sometimes.
Do you call before visiting?
Yes, always.
That is polite.
I think so too. What do you usually do when you visit a friend?
We talk, drink tea, and watch movies.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is very comfortable.
I usually play games with my friends.
Oh, really? What games?
Sometimes card games or video games.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we laugh a lot.
Friends make life happier.
I agree with you. Let's talk about arriving at a friend's house.
Okay.
First, we knock on the door.
Or ring the doorbell.
Yes, exactly.
Then the friend opens the door.
And says, welcome.
That is a friendly greeting.
Yes, it makes people feel comfortable.
What do you say when you enter?
I say, thank you for inviting me.
Very polite.
Thank you. Do your friends offer food or drinks?
Yes, usually tea or juice.
My friends often offer snacks too.
What kind of snacks?
Chips, cookies, or cake.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Yes, especially chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Let's talk about conversations with friends.
Good idea.
Friends talk about many things.
Yes, like school, hobbies, and movies.
Sometimes we talk for hours.
That is true.
Good friends listen carefully.
Yes, listening is important.
Friends also help each other.
Exactly.
Let's learn some English vocabulary.
Great idea.
The word invite means asking someone to come.
Example, my friend invited me to dinner.
Excellent.
Another word is guest.
A guest is a person visiting someone.
Example, we have guests today.
Very good.
Another useful word is welcome.
Welcome is a friendly greeting.
Example, welcome to my home.
Great job. Let's practice useful sentences.
Okay.
Thank you for inviting me.
Welcome to my house.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
I had a great time today.
Wonderful practice.
Do you bring gifts when visiting friends?
Sometimes I bring chocolates or flowers.
That is very thoughtful.
Thank you.
I sometimes bring juice or snacks.
Small gifts are nice.
Yes, they show kindness.
I agree.
Let's talk about childhood friends.
Okay.
Do you still talk with childhood friends?
Yes, I do.
That is wonderful.
We know many things about each other.
Childhood friendships are special.
Yes, they are.
My childhood friend lives near my house.
That is convenient.
Yes, we meet often. Pronunciation practice time.
Great.
The word friend sounds like friend.
Friend.
Very good.
Another word is visit.
Visit.
Excellent pronunciation.
Let's talk about spending time together.
Okay.
Friends enjoy doing activities together.
Yes, like cooking or watching TV.
Sometimes we listen to music too.
Music makes the atmosphere fun.
That is true.
Do you take photos with friends?
Yes, especially during special moments.
Photos help us remember happy times.
Exactly. What do you do if your friend feels sad?
I listen and try to help.
That is kind.
Friends should support each other.
I completely agree.
Sometimes talking helps people feel better.
Yes, good friends are important in life. Let's teach a little grammar now.
Great idea.
We often use the verb visit.
Example, I visit my friend on weekends.
Example, she visited me yesterday.
Visit is a regular verb.
Yes, present tense is visit.
Past tense is visited.
Very good explanation. We also use would like when offering food.
Example, would you like some coffee?
Very polite English.
Yes, people use it often.
What about you, listeners?
Do you visit your friends often?
What do you usually do together?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
And if you enjoy our podcast, please like and subscribe.
Thank you very much for your support. Let's continue our conversation.
Okay?
Some people feel shy when visiting new friends.
Yes, that can happen.
But friendly conversation helps.
Smiling also helps people feel comfortable.
That is true.
Being polite is very important too.
Absolutely. Have you ever stayed overnight at a friend's house?
Yes, many times.
That sounds fun.
We talked late at night and watched movies.
Sleepovers are exciting.
Yes, especially with close friends.
My friends and I sometimes play games until midnight.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
Okay.
Invite means asking someone to come.
Guest means a visiting person.
Welcome is a friendly greeting.
Excellent review.
We also practiced useful sentences.
Like, thank you for inviting me.
And would you like some tea?
Very useful for daily English.
Visiting friends is a wonderful activity.
Yes, friendships make life happier.
Spending time together is important.
We create good memories with friends.
And we learn from each other, too.
Exactly.
Learning English with conversations is helpful.
Yes, listening and repeating improve speaking skills.
Practice every day, even for a short time.
Small practice is better than no practice.
Keep listening to English conversations.
And enjoy learning step by step.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned useful English today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And enjoy spending time with your friends.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.